Hey everybody, Kevin Wagstaff here with Spectora. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do a little bit of DIY SEO in creating blog content on your website. So many of you we've created a website for, so this will be fairly in line with the example I'm going to show you. If you have a WordPress website, it'll be the same process for the most part. Of course, we recommend the N-fold theme and creating a website with us, so then we can really help you with the process. With our managed hosting, we can walk you through anything and take care of any edits, publish your post for you, so on and so forth. So let's jump right in. So if you log into your website, you'll see the little WordPress bar at the top here. So this enables you to go into a couple different areas, but we just want to go into the dashboard for now. So when you're within the dashboard, you'll go to posts and simply click add new. So this gets you into the editor here. So you want to name the blog post. So let's do AC maintenance tips. If you have the N-fold theme and if we've made the website for you, this means you have the advanced layout editor. I prefer that because it gives you a little more control over the elements on the page. So really you have a blank slate here. So I typically like to have the title in a color section. So I drag that down here. I go into content and I drag a special heading into the color section. So I'm going to put the title again here because it doesn't show automatically by putting it up in the title that we had up here. Some themes and some WordPress sites automatically put that on the page. This one, I like having control over it because we can put a custom color band at the top of the page and do a little extra with it. So we're going to center this heading. You can change the size of it here if you want. So we'll save that. So we have a title for our blog post now. So now I'm going to put a full width section here. And what this means is just going to span the whole width of the site. And then content, I want to put in a text block right in there. So all that means is that we have a title, and then we have a place where you can start your blog post. So you want to click into this text box and start writing your blog post. Today we're going to talk about AC maintenance. And then hit save down here. So when you're ready to preview this, you would just simply go to the top right here and click on preview. And that'll open up a new tab. And as you can see here, we have the title, and then we have the start of the blog post. So that is a simple, basic way to get started typing up a blog post. So once you're done with that, obviously you click publish. And if you have your blog set up, and we can help you with this if you have any questions, to link from your main menu right here. So once you actually hit publish, it'll show up in your running list of blog posts here underneath the existing one. So if you want to add photos, you want to add different sections, we'll cover that in another video, but that's just a quick basic on how to get started writing a blog post on your Spectora created WordPress website. Thanks, guys.